Gumagamit ba kayo ng ganitong wireless microphone? Gawin natin HD quality from this
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
to this.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Watch this video. So hi mga kaparokya, once again is another tutorial dito sa channel. May pinadala na gadget yung kaibigan ko. He's also a vlogger. This is a wireless microphone. Okay, ito siya. Okay, so buksan natin mamaya na. So pinadala ito sa akin kasi sabi niya hindi daw siya contented or hindi daw siya satisfy sa naging output or naging output ng or naging sound ng ng recording daw niya sa vlog niya. So actually binili niya to sa Shopee at around 200-250 pesos. Actually marami nang lumalabas na ganito na eh. So it's I'm going to open it right now para makita po natin. So sabi niya baka ma-improve natin ito yung quality niya or baka pwedeng gawin ng HD. So that will be our objective today guys, no. So sige, buksan na natin. Actually bukas na siya, no. And we're going to look at the items sa loob, kung ano yung mga components nito. So actually I see two items here inside. So kunin natin yung isa. Yung first one, I see it's actually it's the microphone mismo, no. Okay, so it's about 2 inches long ang taas niya. And ito sa clip, meron siyang clip doon sa likod. I think of course ito yung pinakabit sa damit, no? Or somewhere na maging steady siya. And then of course there is power button dito sa baba. Used to power up ng yung microphone. Tapos meron siyang charging port dito sa gilid. So obviously yung charging port will be it's a C-type C-type na charging port. So pwede siya gamitin for all C-types na connector going to the adapter tapos ma-charge mo siya. So yun. So right off the bat, it's an ordinary mini microphone. No? So yung isa, link ko, is actually a receiver, no? Meron siyang C-type port dito, no? I think this goes in sa Android phone niyo na may C-type na input. Of course, doon siya sinasaksak sa charging port din ng cellphone, no? Any Android cellphone. And I do not see any on or off na button dito. So basically ito yun lang. Meron lang siyang C-type na port going in doon sa sa papunta sa cellphone niyo. So ito siya dalawa. Okay. And yun dito sa box, I think this is already the yung free connector niya. So basically, ito yung dalawang items, around 200-250 sabi daw niya. Pero I think marami na ako nakita ng ganito eh. No? And I think there's also one for another kind for yung pang iPhone na port. Yes, so yun. Basically yun ako, of course nakuha, it's the Android, which is C-type. So ito yung objective natin guys. We will test this one, tapos tignan natin yung quality, and of course i-improve natin, no, with the use of a plug-in or app na dinadownload na sa cellphone para mag-enhance ng sound ng mga recordings natin, especially sa vlogging. Okay, so I'll give you a video right now on how to set this up sa cellphone ninyo. So after that, we will test already the microphone for the actual na demo natin. So please watch this video. So set up na natin yung mini microphone natin or mini wireless microphone. So ito siya. So dalawang items yan. Ito yung microphone mismo na pwede siya i-clip. Meron siyang clip at saka ito yung receiver niya. Type C na receiver. So ito yung pakita kung paano mag-charge. Ito yung connector, lagay na sa gilid. It's also a type C connector. Tapos kumuha lang ng adapter. Yan, saksak lang natin. Tapos diretso na sa, of course, sa kuryente para mag-charge ng ating microphone. So kunin ko muna to. So lagay na natin itong receiver dito sa cellphone, Android cellphone natin. So kung saan ka nag-charge, dyan natin ilagay yung Type-C na port. So wala siyang power, napapower na doon sa cellphone mismo. So gamitin ko sa video is that open camera na app. Dinownload ko din sa Play Store. Yan, so gumagana yung open camera natin. So eto na, we will try to turn on yung microphone. So steady press lang yung power button niya until lalabas yung green. Steady yung green na LED light niya. So kung lumabas yan, it's already good to use and you can already record your video with your audio wireless microphone. So there you have it guys. Yun yung assemble through the unboxing ng wireless microphone natin. Paano siya i-charge, tapos paano siya i-on yung microphone natin. So again, after that, we will be now doing the recording. Mag-record tayo and as of course, i-demo din natin kung paano yung unlock yung features ng flat na microphone tsaka yung may echo na microphone. So after that, mag-enhance na tayo ng audio niya. So watch this video guys. So right now guys, I'm using the OpenCam na app para mag-function yung yung mini microphone, no? So I did not use the regular or camera ng cellphone na ito. So right now naka-on na po yung natin, yung microphone, and this is now the regular or the vlogging settings kasi nga may dalawang settings ito yung microphone natin. One is for regular or yung flat. And the other one is for the echo or pwede siya for singing na setting. So we are now going to switch. Mag-switch tayo doon sa echo na setting. Ito siya. So all you have to do is press twice yung power button. So yun, may red na blink. That means nag-shift siya. So ngayon we are now hearing the echo setting yung para sa singing natin na setting. Okay? So yun, so we're just going to switch back sa regular or sa flat na setting. Okay. So we will now try to do a recording and try to see if ma-enhance natin yung quality ng microphone na ito, no? Para sa inyong mga vlogging. Okay, so lagay ko lang dito sa shirt ko.
Okay, let's record. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So that was the demo of how to use yung natin, no, yung wireless microphone natin. Now ngayon, it's now time to enhance yung audio ng microphone na yon. So before that, we need to download isang magandang app. Ito yung BandLab na app. You can download it sa App Store nyo or sa kahit anong application store na pwede nyo siya i-download. It's already available as a BandLab. So you don't need to have the professional and it's free. It's a free app for you. And after that, you might need to download the MP4 converter. Kasi nga extract natin yung audio from your video. So we need to, after na ma-process siya doon sa BandLab, need po natin siya i-convert into an MP4 file. Kasi just for this tutorial, gagawan natin ng bagong video with the new audio through the CapCut. So, ipa-paste natin doon or i-paste natin doon yung ginawa natin enhancement sa audio ng ating video. So, you need 3 apps to download. That's number 1, yung BandLab. Number 2 is the MP4 converter. And number 3 is the CapCut. If you already have the CapCut, so okay na yun. So, here's a tutorial for our enhancement of the audio. Watch this. Okay, so welcome sa BandLab na app. This will now enhance our recording. All you have to do is download lang yung app sa yung App Store and you register. So we're now opening the app. So pindutin natin yung naka-red na plus to open our file. Then after that, press yung import file. Okay? Yung import file will now appear yung recording natin kanina, yung demo natin together, yung introduction natin sa ano natin. So yun, is in the file lang, nandyan sa open cam natin. And you just press it. Tapos magdo-download yung audio niya. So again guys, audio lang po ito ha. Yun yung i-enhance natin.
So right now
this
guys,
now
I'm using
is the
the
sample of our recording. Kung ma-notice ninyo. So yung gagawin natin, ika-cut natin yung audio kung saan nag-sample tayo or yung countdown na sample recording.
So we are now going to
Yun. Sa sample recording natin.
All you have to do
We'll
is
cut it.
So yun, may red na.
Okay. So,
Okay, let's record.
ito siya. All you have to do is split. Okay. Split natin tapos i-delete natin yung first set ng recording natin. Oops. Balik tayo. Yan. Press delete. Tapos, i-drag natin yung audio clip na ito. Ito yung recording natin yung may mga yung nag-count tayo ng numbers, no.
Okay, let's record. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 6.
So if you notice guys, medyo ano siya, parang telepono yung ano natin. We'll have to enhance it using the effects. Meron ako dito na prepare na effects. So, yung tinatawag ko na plugins na naka-line up na. Ang pangalan niya is the Audio Speech Studio. Ako po yung gumawa nito. So mamaya pakita ko po yung mga plugins na ginamit ko. So eto siya. Samplein natin, naka-effects na yan. Let's press play.
Okay, let's record. Testing 1 2 3.
So let's adjust the volume.
Testing
So
1,
medyo
2, 3,
compressed
4,
na yung
5,
ano
6.
natin, yung sound. Hindi na siya
Testing
parang
1 2 3 4 5
trompa.
6 7 8.
Yan.
Testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
So pwede nyo gagawin din ito sa mga recordings niyo guys. So meron
Okay,
kayong mga recordings
let's
dyan sa
record.
vlog ninyo.
Testing 1
Even not
2
using
3.
yung microphone na yun.
Testing 1 2 3 4 5 6. Testing
Yeah.
1 2 3 4 5 6
Adjust
7
natin ulit
8.
yung volume until
Testing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
So again guys, naka-effects na po ito, no? So don't worry, bigyan ko kayo ng cheat sheet or yung mga guide. Yan, so ito yung ginamit ko ng plugins. Makikita yan sa effects, no? So yan, we have the vocal enhancer, number 1, sa dulo. So first. So ayan, so pwede nyo makopya yung mga settings ko. Next, we have the de-esser. Ito yung sa mga medyo distorted na S. So, take note guys hindi siya our mixing is not generally made for everyone. What I mean is every recording na gamit. Pwede nyo to ma-adjust kung marunong na kayo. So, we also have the EQ, equalizer. Yung low, mid, high, tsaka yung mid sweep natin. Lahat po ito makikita sa plugins. We have the tape simulator para yung kalabasan is parang maging ano siya, recording. Yun yung tape simulator natin. So, oops, lumabas ulit. Balik tayo doon. And we have another, tape simulator muna tayo. Okay. Kopyahin nyo lang po yung settings natin. Mamaya bigyan ko kayo ng guide din. So, we have also the BL1176 is another compressor, no? So may input output, may attack, may release ratio. So yun, and that is our line or may mga natin yung plugin sa Audio Speech Studio na ginawa ko. Kopyahin nyo lang guys. So all you have to do is go sa effects and create. Now all you have to do is create a set. Kopyahin nyo lang yung mga settings ko dito. But if you want, pwede din kayo gumawa ng settings ninyo. Diba? For whatever you choose or whatever effects na gusto nyo, ito yung pinaka-essential guys. We have the equalizer, yung mga de-esser, and a lot of compressor. So, para at least magiging HD quality yung natin. So, yun. So, all you have to do guys, just, I show you the effects. So, maraming effects dito sa BandLab actually. So, pwede kayo mag-mix and match, kayo mag-experiment. Okay, and I will be doing another tutorial sa BandLab also for recording. So, yun. All you have to do is press sign lang. Ayun, and then, yun.
Testing 1, 2,
Balik tayo
3.
ulit sa recording.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay, and later on guys, meron tayong mastering na sinasabi dito. Meron silang mastering dito sa BandLab na mag-enhance pa talaga or yung final mix. Yung AI mag-mix ng recording mo. So let's save it. Let's put the file name here para hindi natin makalimutan. Okay, after ng file name after ng save na ito guys, mag-master tayo. Mastering yung next step of dito, no? Pakikita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-mastering ng natin. Maganda kasi yung yung BandLab in terms of this one. And later on magko-convert pa tayo ng audio para pwede mo siya gamitin doon na sa Final Cut mo I'm using CapCut na lang. CapCut na lang para mas very madali. Very easy to use. Okay. So yun guys, we have already saved it, and later on naka-file nandiyan sa folder natin, no? So hanapin mo yung mga projects natin. Nandiyan, yun naka-save yung vocal sample mic. So after natin ma-save yung natin, yung file natin, pupunta naman tayo ulit sa file, open natin ulit yung file na save natin, which is the vocal sample mic. Hanapin nyo yung tatlong dot na icon, yung sa taas ng studio, yun. And you press edit mastering. So lalabas dyan yung different kinds of final cuts like universal, may fire, clarity, and tape. Let's just choose the clarity. Play natin yan.
Okay, let's record. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So,
testing 1, 2,
okay
3,
na guys,
4, 5,
press
6,
yung
7,
apply
8, 9,
button.
10. Okay, let's record. Test.
Yan. So, magsisave siya ulit. And after that, we will now download the file. Once again guys, you can do this sa mga recordings nyo para at least ma-enhance. Yun, download as audio. So, mag-generate yan and automatically mag-save yan sa downloads ninyo. Okay. So, dahil nga gagamitin natin is the CapCut, kailangan natin MP4 yung file. So, punta tayo dito sa MP4 converter. All you have to do is press the icon. Mada-download to sa mga app store natin. Now, go to the audio converter. Yan. Choose your file. Lalabas din yan. Then, after that, you will convert from MAC to MP4. Tapos, convert. Start now. Yun, automatically, magko-convert yan yung to MP4 file. And makikita nyo po yan sa inyong gallery. So, after natin na-convert yung file into MP4, it's now time to paste yung bagong file natin, yung na-enhance natin to the existing video. So, open your CapCut. So, from your CapCut, so you select new project natin. Hanapin nyo yung old video natin, yung with the original audio. So, yun, nandyan na siya. Now, it's now time to extract yung yung existing audio, which is the old audio, yung original audio sa microphone. Ayan, extract na natin. So, lalabas po yung audio niya. And we will now paste yung bagong enhanced audio natin na ginawa sa BandLab. Yun. Okay? So, yung gagawin na natin, i-sync na natin yung audio from the old file para mag-align sila para at least mag-synchronize yung video nyo tsaka yung bagong audio na yan. So, yun. All you have to do is align lang yung audio niyan. Okay. So, after nyo ma-align, yan. all you have to do is yung delete nyo lang yung old file na sa taas. Yan. Highlight nyo and then press delete. So that's very easy lang guys, no? So, i-play natin.
Okay, let's record. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So
Testing
nawala
1,
na yung
2,
old
3, 4,
audio
5,
natin.
6,
It's
7,
now the
8,
new
9, 10.
enhanced audio na ginawa natin sa BandLab. So right now, we will save it. Patasin natin yung resolution and save it sa phone nyo just like that. So while waiting guys, again, this is now your new audio. Pwede nyo na siya i-share doon sa social media nyo or sa mga likes of YouTube. So ganun lang po kasimple.
Okay, let's record. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's record. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so I guess you're ready to do some enhancements sa inyong microphone, wireless microphone. If you already have this, you might as well do the enhancement sa phone ninyo, no? And for those na may planong bumili nito, actually for me it's for starters okay siya for vlogging, no, for especially for new ones. Kasi mura siya, it's only 200 to 250 pesos. And I think it's a better alternative kung wala pa tayong setup for a bigger studio or mga equipments natin. So it's a good start. And I only suggest to use this para at least mas effective siya is indoors lang siguro for your cooking vlog or any vlogs which is involved dito sa loob ng ng house niyo or sa loob ng studio, no. So kasi kung gagamitin po natin to sa labas, medyo distorted na siya even though may noise cancellation siya. So medyo mahirap na siya i-balance yung audio niya. So yun guys. So once again, and I hope nagustuhan niyo po yung video natin ngayon. And of course the tutorial kung paano na enhance yung simple audio na coming from this microphone. And if you feel na medyo may suggest kayo to enhance more yung mga ginawa natin, please feel free to comment dyan sa ating comment box. And of course, let's try to help each other, no? Especially sa mga bago na nag-vlog po sa YouTube and any social media na ginagamit po natin. So, yun guys. So, thank you once again for being here. I hope if you can also check out some of our videos and of course mga cover songs natin. And we'll be having some more tutorials in the future. So, maraming salamat po sa bisita dito sa channel, and I hope you subscribe, and of course you please share our video also to all your friends na nagva-vlogging din or anyone who needs this kind of tutorial. So maraming salamat po guys. Once again, this is RG and we'll see you soon in our videos. Thank you.